Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss the post-reading activities of English 8th class English lesson, the mountain and the squirrel. Good understand? Let's move. So post-reading activities. Number 2. This is number 2. Comprehension activities MCQ. Complete the sentences choosing the correct options. And I think it is no disgrace to occupy my place means nothing in the world has any value. Everything in the world has no value. One should not feel inferior to others. One should think himself to be superior to others. So which is correct? Number, I think number C is correct. One should not feel inferior to others. ଜଣେ ଅନ୍ୟଠାରୁ ନିକୃଷ୍ଟ ବୋଲି ଭାବିବା ଅନୁଚିତ. So the C is correct. Okay. Next one is that is the squirrel has the talent to dash. Could understand? The squirrel had the talent A. Speak less, B. Crack a nut, C. Carry forest on its back, D. Move a mountain. So which is correct? Number B is correct. Right. Next 3. Disgrace means an insult, and admiring others, admire प्रशंसा करिबा, saying good of others, अन्य मानकर भलो कहबा. B. Good to others, being good to others, अन्य पाखरे भलो हबा. So right answer is I think A, that is an insult. Disgrace means insult. So match the words under A with the words under B. Write 1, 2 in the bracket before the words under B. Mountain. Could understand? What did I say? Mountain. Mountain A. Big. You know? Right? A. Big. Similarly, squirrel. Small. 2. And little pig. 2. Squirrel, that is squirrel. Next one is not active. Mountain, that is mountain. 1 minute. Here squirrel. Squirrel can crack a nut. 2. Can carry forest. 1. Mountain. Mountain 1. Squirrel 2. Cannot crack a nut. Mountain 1. Cannot make a squirrel track. That is 2. Cannot make a squirrel track. 1. Next one is yes. Your teacher reads aloud the following in text. You listen to him, her, and fill in the gaps. One day A. That is, tell me. One day A. Mountain. One day a mountain. And a squirrel had a quarrel. Right? The mountain called the squirrel what? Little prig. L-I-T-T-L-E, little prig. P-R-I-G, prig. Okay. In reply, the squirrel said to him, you are very big. B-I-G, big. But I am very small. I am I am very active, but you are not. I can crack, 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 फटई पारिबी, crack a nut, but you cannot. You can carry forest, forest, forest on your back, but I cannot. Could understand? Now let's move to the next point. That is, your teacher directs some words from the. So your teacher dictates some words from the list given below. Listen to him, her, and tick those words. Yes. First, quarrel. This one. Occupy. This one. Squirrel. This one. Track. Talent. Doubtless. Spear. Proud. Weather. Mountain. Spry. Deny. Disgrace. Next one is chain delay. Practice the following. This one we shall do number B. Practice the following dialogue. अभ्यास करो. Teacher versus student, students versus students, and finally in pace. Mountain. You little pig, squirrel. You very big mountain. I can carry forest on my back, but you can't. Could understand? You can't, but you can't. Squirrel, I can crack a nut, but you can't. Okay. Next one is vocabulary. There are 80 words in the word puzzle. This is a word puzzle. Find them using the clues. तापे क्लू दिया जाइए ताकू नहीं तमें बाहर करिबो. So one is that is कौन देछि? The small creature in this poem. Squirrel. One squirrel. Right. One squirrel. Wait. Right. Next, an angry argument. The squirrel and the mountain had it. The angry argument. That is squirrel. Quarrel. Angry argument, that is quarrel. Where is quarrel? QUARREL. Quarrel. Okay. Next one is it can carry forest on its back. Mountain. Could understand? What is mountain? MOUNTAIN. TAIN. Mountain. Okay. Mountain. MOUNT. NTAIN. Mountain. Similarly, the opposite of a small, that is big. B. Big. Number 5, it means the earth. Earth means sphere. 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 6, it means insult. Insult means disgrace. Disgrace. Next one 7, it means abilities. Talent. That is talent. TALANTS. Talent. B, without doubt. That is doubtless. 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 Okay. Next one is clues. These are the clues. The small creature in the poem, that is squirrel. An agree argument that is quarrel, it can carry forest on its back. Mountain, the opposite of small. Big, it means the earth. Sphere, it means insult, disgrace, it means ability, talent, without doubt, doubtless. Okay, now let's move to the next one. This one usage. The poet uses as as with a not in the poem. They are used to compare these qualities of two objects or persons. Use the same expression to combine sentences. One is done for you. The mountain is big, the squirrel is not so big. The squirrel is not as big as the mountain. Ramesh is rich, Hari is not so rich. The answer is Hari is not as rich as Ramesh. Hari is not as rich as Ramesh. Malati is intelligent. Surabhi is not so intelligent. Surabhi is not as intelligent as Malati. Pratik is hardworking. Naresh is not so hardworking. The Naresh is not as hardworking as Pratik. Mani is beautiful. Priyanka is not so beautiful. Priyanka is not as beautiful as Mani. Next one is Gopal is clever. Krishna is not so clever. Krishna is not as clever as Gopal. Okay. Now let's move to the next point. Yes, this is the poem makes it clear what the squirrel can do and what it cannot. It also tells us what the mountain can do and what it cannot. For example, the squirrel can crack a nut. It cannot carry forests on his back. The mountain can carry forests on his back. It cannot crack a nut. Using the expressions given below, write some sentences on your best friend using can or cannot. Climb a mountain, catch a squirrel, sing a song, solve a word puzzle, ride a bike, lift a heavy bag, compose a poem, composer rachana kariya. Play the guitar you know I play, and play badminton. So, here is the become is my friend. What did it say? Become is my friend. Okay. Or you can say Vasudeva is my brother. He can climb a mountain. Could understand? He cannot catch a quarrel. He can sing a song. He cannot compose a poem. He can solve a word puzzle. He cannot ride a bike. He can lift a heavy bag. He can't lift a table. He can play badminton. He cannot play the guitar. So now let's move to the next point, that is here. Rewrite the pairs of sentences by connecting them with but. But jodi likhiya. One is done for you. My friend Amrita can sing a song. She cannot ride a bike. My friend Amrita can sing a song but cannot ride a bike. Similarly, Nandita can do sums. She cannot speak English well. Yes. Answer is Nandita can do sums but cannot speak English well. Next one is Prabhala can dance. He cannot box. Prabhala can dance but cannot box. Next one is Rabindra can drive a car. He cannot ride a bicycle. Rabindra can drive a car but cannot ride a cycle. Pratap can speak well. He cannot sing songs. Pratap can speak well but cannot sing songs. Okay, let's see what is there in store for us. Yes, answer the following writing. Answer the following questions. Who had a quarrel? The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel. What did the mountain call the squirrel? The mountain called the squirrel little prig. What must be taken together to make up a year and a sphere? All sorts of weather must be taken together to make up a year and a sphere. All sorts of weather. What did I say? all sorts of weather. Okay. How many times does the mountain talk in the poem? So, the mountain talks in the poem only once. What can the squirrel do? The squirrel can crack a nut. What can the mountain do? The mountain can carry forests on his back. The mountain and the squirrel do not have the same ability. Do we have people like them? Yes, we have the people like them. Who do you like? Yes, we do have. Who do you like in the poem? The mountain or the squirrel? I like the mountain in the poem. I like the mountain in the poem. Yes, that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the other lessons in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.